my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install our budget-friendly add a subwoofer harness in your 2018 to 2024 JBL equipped Toyota Camry. Now for the purpose of the video, we removed the seat. You do not have to do that, just unbolt it and lean it back. First I'm going to go ahead and remove the cover on my factory JBL Amp. I'm going to take my panel removal tool and pop out the pins. Now we have already pre-made our connections for this harness. In another video, I'm going to show you how to wire up all these connections. But first, I'm just going to show you how to connect it to your factory wiring and amp. I'm going to go ahead and push down on the pin and unlock my 30-pin harness and take it out. Then I'm going to take the same end from my new harness and plug that in. Make sure it locks into place. And then I'm going to plug the end that I removed from my factory amp into the other end of my 30-pin harness. And then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps for my 24-pin. So now that I've made the connections to my factory wiring, I'm going to go ahead and connect my LC2i Pro to my amplifier. I have a couple different brands of aftermarket amplifiers here. Using this one, I'm going to go ahead and plug my RCA cable into my bass output on my LC2i Pro and do white to left and red to right. Then I'm going to take the other end of my RCAs and plug that into my input of my amplifier on my sub. White to white and red to red. Aftermarket amplifiers require a blue remote turn-on wire. This wire will turn the amp on and off. Here you can see I have my blue remote wire connected to my remote out on my LC2i Pro and then my remote on my amplifier. Then I have my subwoofer wiring ran to my subwoofer. Make sure you check out the link below. We have some highly detailed instructions on how to make all of these connections. Just an important side note that if you were to tap into your factory sub or rear door speaker, you won't be getting the proper frequency range that you need for your aftermarket amp or subwoofer. Now our budget-friendly add-a-sub harness takes the frequency from your factory sub and mid-bass driver and it merges those together to provide your aftermarket amplifier and sub with the frequencies it needs. Down below we will also put a link that shows you the frequency ranges from your factory sub and rear door mid-bass driver.